Hello everyone, welcome to this presentation brought to you by USF World. Today, I'll walk you through the next steps for completing your application to the University of South Florida. Let's begin with students completing their education outside the United States. First, students will need to pay the $30 non-refundable application fee. Students who are still in high school can submit copies of their transcripts via Common App or email internationaltranscripts@usf.edu. If your documents are not in English, be sure to include a certified word-for-word English translation. Students who have already graduated, please have your counselor submit official transcripts via Common App or internationaltranscripts@usf.edu. Now, let's move on to students who are completing their high school education in the United States. If you are attending high school in the U.S., or if you completed part of your education abroad, but those grades do appear on your U.S. transcript, please review these important details. First, you will need to pay your $30 non-refundable application fee. You may be eligible for an application fee waiver depending on your circumstances. See details on slide and check with your guidance counselor further for confirmation. Please note that we cannot accept waivers coming directly from students. Additionally, please submit your STARS report, which serves as a self-reported record of your coursework and grades. Please scan QR code for more information about STARS submission. Let's talk about test scores and English proficiency. Official SAT, ACT, or CLT scores must be sent directly from the testing agencies. College Board, ACT, or CLT. See code on slide for more information about how to send them directly. To meet the English proficiency requirement, you must earn at least 490 in evidence-based reading and writing for your SAT, 17 in English and 19 in reading for ACT, and 38 verbal reasoning and writing for CLT. Keep in mind, it can take up to 2 weeks after submission. If it does take longer, or if your scores are not matched to your record, please email your receipt or verification of test completion to internationaltranscripts@usf.edu. Next, let's review a few common checklist items you might see in your application portal. Items needed prior to decision include FLINT, which is referred to as the Foreign Language Entrance Requirement. This is met by completing 2 years of the same foreign language or 1 year of the AP language other than English. This item will remain on your checklist until our evaluation team has reviewed your transcript. ACTV, also known as Explanation of Activities, appears if there is a gap of 4 months or more between your graduation and your intended start at USF. In that case, please submit the Activities Explanation Form, see QR code. Items needed after decision, unless already graduated from high school, include IB, AP, and A-level. Those items are not required to receive an admissions decision, but they must be submitted prior to your enrollment. To summarize, here's what you need to complete your application for review. Pay your $30 application fee or request a fee waiver through your counselor for U.S. students only. Submit official transcripts via STARS, U.S. students only. Common App or have them emailed to internationaltranscripts@usf.edu. Ensure your test scores have been sent or provide proof of request. Upload any additional materials, such as the activities explanation form if applicable. Once all required items are received, your application will be ready for review. Thank you for watching. As always, we're here to help you every step of the way as you start your journey to USF. Please feel free to reach out or scan this QR code and schedule a time to meet with us. Thanks, and we hope to connect with you soon.